Boris Karloff.
Yeah.
Classic. Is this the shitty one or the good one?
Which muscle is this right here?
Which one's the good one? Tricep?
Yeah.
This might be the shitty
Damn.
one. There's a better
I thought it was
word
the ones
for
with the
that.
switches are fine.
Hey, so I've been playing guitar since I was like 9 years old. It's been a little while, and it all started when my parents got me a guitar, and I was really into the Foo Fighters, and we found out that Dave Grohl also started when he was 9, so I ended up been playing violin since I was like 5, so it was just kind of a cool transition into playing guitar and becoming a rock star.
What? Ooh, eek, eating a burger with no any mustard.
I mean, it's like
Yeah. Hey man, what happened to you, man?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, go!
Balancing my time it is hard. I work full time and do the band, and it's just finding those times in between work. Sometimes my brain is constantly thinking about music while I am working, and it's just finding scheduling time that we can, and just kind of keeping that grind. So the big goal is, to be doing this for the rest of my life. Work sucks, and being able to play on stage for people and just express music to people is, the biggest goal that I think anybody as a musician would have. How do I feel about going on stage? Well, I'm pretty excited. Going on stage is something that I always have enjoyed. I've been in a couple bands, and it makes me kind of nervous at the same time, but that's what I live for. It's a lot of different emotions happening all at the same time, but it's nice to perform for people and all that.
are the band members and how did we meet? So I'm Joey. I am the lead singer and the lead guitarist, songwriter. We got Ashton, who's also on guitar, Tommy on bass, and Ethan on drums. Geez, it's been a while now. So we all met through our original bass player, Maria. She was friends with our drummer, Ethan's girlfriend, and we needed a drummer, and so we got to jamming, and after a while we decided we wanted another guitarist, and luckily for us, Ethan's old bandmate, Ashton, wasn't doing anything interesting, so he decided to join the band with us, which was great. We're a two guitar type band. And then eventually around 2022, a couple of years ago now, our old bass player Maria left the band, and we knew Tommy through some mutual friends, and luckily he stepped up and he joined the band, and we've been rocking ever since,
So my plans for the future, we're definitely working on an album 3, and that's been in the works for a little while, and we're just excited to keep having our music be thrown out into the world, and definitely just gonna keep every step that we can, as a band.